Guys, unaledi aphiwe benomawelele wakhe bakwethu. What childish things are these things? Busy, like very busy, right? Before she was 18. Manje bezositshela izitori zabo after she was 18. And then someone was even saying ukuthi basenze ilima unamanga bahlukananga. Bahlukana kanjani sekuthola ama-awards and all of that, and they made it official when in April sometime. I'm like, singena ngokuthini? Asingene nowhere ulobele uhleka on YouTube ulobele uthi I know sihlukene. It's the same as the Sima story, bro. The thing is really, really irritating. And Sima no Slubi, you remember I said Usima must just love herself and leave Slubi alone to be. And she must also be herself. Akhohlwe indaba kaGhostloop. Umuntu ohambe bukisa ngawo every time uyakudampa uzomdampa nini wena you gonna get a chance to dump him. So nangu-ke lo publicly please telling us ukuthi bahlukene nomawelele at 18. Guys, we don't need those things on social media. And bathe Australia social media manje 18 downwards awusabi ku social media, because really like we can't be watching. This never used to happen. Well, you were not allowed to even join at that age. You are busy now telling us you break up nomawelele, and someone is even saying no bahlala ngathi basajola, and this feel ukuthi futhi umawelele was doing stuff to her before she was 18. Uyabona ukuthi ku wrong, and manga qhamuka kahle ngazazaboshwa umawelele, he must just watch out even now, because honestly like really, because it looks like they've been doing stuff together, and he's 22. He can do stuff, whatever stuff he wants to do. So a man who says things that are not appropriate and you're busy saying them la on social media, it's not right. And Umawelele could have been doing stuff to her when she was younger than this. Una lady, happy. Nai, happy that Lubele just chelum la.
Didn't say good to Mawelele no na lady, it's actually very childish or but it turns out to get very bazom don'tsaki and drag him to feel the Mawelele on Twitter, but I want to available ngengane. Cause ubuvela no baby mama. Ha! Nama was like so surprised. I was just like, wow, you were using her for clout, basically. That's what you were trying to do here. Usuyeyisa futhi on the side, usebele uthi hawu no ngibonile esekhuluma unaledi ukuthi I know we broke up. Yes, we did. You're not even fighting. We came to an amicable agreement ukuthi no, this is not going to work in Slugane nje kahle, there is no beef, there is nothing between us. We made a nice decision yokuthi Slugane, because it was over anyways between us. It wasn't going to work. But asitshela ama reasons ukuthi why. Kanti no baby mama. Bavele bathi no wena mawelele sicela useke phansi ufuna ukuduma ngengane ngoba anyway veza awaziwa. Phela ungozwazi ufanisa donaledi abantu bo Chris Brown. You understand that you can't keep up with that. Ukhathala wena. So umawelele befuna nje ukwaziwa ngengane, please vele mina umawelele anyways if you can believe me or not. Akubeka maza yabi. Mase kuzoba istory sikaMakhumalo nomseleku noMakampilo nje umpilo kade grade abantu badonsa uMakampilo bathe wena akazuza ukhulisa ingane awuseke guys, like I've always said ukuthi mase abantu nathi asanda ukubukela ngaphandle and then we don't actually know the dynamics. So Makhumalo afika umpilo esenamazinyo aphelele, for example umkhulise what time uyayibona leyo nto leyo, must look at those things. Umdala umuntu obegrade uMakhumalo umuntu wamanje uqala ukufika. We must also look at those things. We don't look at them, the dynamics of that family, and then we'd realize oh singenapi senzeni. There is no way lo mama ngendlela ejabule ngale ngane grade ukuthi she wasn't available. Uyabona some dynamics of impilo ending up nomseleku ese end up esehlala noMakhumalo swazi. Chances are lo mama mhlawumbe abanezinye ingane somewhere else, but were involved in her child's life. So bamdonsa ke umseleku esekropha isithombe samaKampilo esesikhiphile. Kwathiwa wena ungasihlanyisi. What do you mean lo mama lewade engeke empilweni ngane ngoba she was there? Ukhuluma ngani? Wenzani? Ngoba uzuqalile futhi ukusikwatisa futhi again. Awumzansi ke una was angry ke with him, bamdonsa ke umusa bathi nje wena please sicela usincede ungalingi. You understand them, because now you're giving a picture ukuthi lo mama lo wasn't available, ubuyumsuse umdonsule, and she was at the graduation. What are you doing? Like childish like that. Umusanaye sometimes the stuff that he does. And the foot missing a book relationship they don't get along, those two. But it has nothing to do with us. Tina sifuna nje ukwazi impilo uhappy, ugraduate, uzothola umsebenzi and be happy. That's all that we are looking for. Because now he makes it looks like lo mama lo sebuyile ufuna ukuzodla imali engane ngoba ingane isizosebenza. She wants to be available in the child's life. No, she's being le ingane nomama ababili, guys. Let's going forward. That's what I'm using, me. Ngilalela umusa mina.